no Yahweh marriage. It's a shame to now say, Benin men. You supposed to be ashamed for ourselves. See, our women now they carry Kokobiri, they go Nigeria, but they do marry. Why they mock them? Oh God, that was the one side. Our women now, Kokobiri they break record. Kokobiri they pay bride price. Why we just the Saleka, you hate Saleka, you hate Saleka, you hate. What's Salora? They do the bomb for free, bomb for free. No bride price. Kokobiri is leading. Kokobiri don't they go to pay bride price. Kokobiri don't they do white wedding now. Kokobiri don't wear suit. We don't wear. No, sister Muyekere, ta. Sister Mudaure, to. Sister Mugufere, pa. We just the knocker. We know the pay bride price. Kokobiri don't pay bride price. See our Benin women, some of our Benin useless women, female presenters. They mock Kokobiri will go pay bride price. Why their husband they fuck the bunch away, they fuck the free of charge. Is it not be juju be that? Una they mock who go pay bride price, who go do the right thing, who follow due principle, our custom and tradition. Una they mock them. Why una? Keti no zuo. See Keti where they talk. Keti go to whether Keti na marriage they do or whether na anniversary they do or na ajela like go to serve or go to when he dressed like for bedje for here he go see lo gugu yama ogugu mamati see lu put on for head say in they do marriage for bedje here. Your papa family not sit down pour drink for ground pray for the ancestors. See, kudos to retire more. Children will remember family. Children will go abroad will remember say the ancestor go drink for their pekus. That kind of children is a better Pekin. You understand? Pekin will be say he also finish for abroad. He carry man. He upload the man. He land for the house. They can go do. Esiwo. Arabia mareta gogo, radio reta gogo, esiwo. That can Pekin a better Pekin. The ancestors go pray for her. They go deal with her. Pekin where after he don't dope. After the doping system has been activated in Europe, he carry the man go Nigeria go pay bride price. That one I be man. That one I be woman where get sense. That one I be woman where say he go school, he enter class. Also, when a fellow women I do that one so. In our own here, we know they go to ginger on a husband. Honey, half an hour. Snow they fall today. Today na 30 degrees centigrade. Honey, oh, this weather for 2. Opulek, iyogo, hiyaga. Not up to 4 months. It be up, let come. Honey, this could not be small. Government, they give me dundu. Honey, hello, government, they give me dundu. They say make I come for the doctor. My God make my lawyer say make I go born. Honey, open na hiyogo hiyaga. Next month it be up, let them come. And what you get if you ever twins, no diary. You born one twins, no diary. Another twins is coming. Hiyogo hiyaga, no diary. You just a bomb, no diary. No, is it by diary? It is not by that. My sister, not by diary. It is by is it by bride price? It is not by bride price. My sister, not by bride price. You are too cheap to my liking. Go and pay bride price. It is not by bride price. Not by bride. You never see you get pay bride price. Then my sister made them pay your bride price. May they still divorce you. May they still pay for your head. You too cheap. Your Bekus not they know they put money for that. Bekus what they know they pay bride price. Now watermelon. Now water. They know they pay bride price for your Bekus. Is it that you just they bomb? You want bomb the full community because of child benefits. If they complete 5 children, now money go increase. Honeymoon knock. If they complete 5 children, now money go increase. When I just they bomb for child benefits, Akababa. Saga, no. Obese. Lare. I be offending Frankie Nai. Lare. Who want to agree? Abu we need cover. You cover. Wolo. I want. A decade. Now you're the premeditator. There. Oh yeah. Sat one. Sleep. Oh yeah. Go to your room. Children don't go let you pray. They don't go let them play for palo. Go to your room. Go to your room. Go to your room. Go and sleep. Go on. Oh yeah, tomorrow is school. Go and sleep. Wow. Go to your room. Go to your room. Go and sleep. Especially with Germany. Jama. You know what Jama now? Jama. Shots. Me continue with Germany. You may continue with Germany. My God. Not go try Jama. You may continue with Germany. I never see. The German has Salika. He can't do it. He will go. Who wants salad? Every month, Bangan or Yokohama, Bangan or Yokohama, you go here for this community. This one. That's why they boom. Job center tired to pay benefits. Now, very soon, German don't complain for children benefits. How they pay bride price? How they okay now? Where you? They say this one. God. Monica not gonna make laugh to kill me. God. That woman. Monica, you're there, body. So God. Oh, we are like who still go Nigeria? If you go video your house, not if I carry house commands. If you go video house now, what you want to see for Facebook? Now see. If you go video house now for the marriage, I go say, now say Papa Medi again. Papa never eat. You know they feed the papa well. You know they feed the mama well. Yeah. You want use good day Nigeria to compare with the abroad? What do you expect me to be for me? Be like footballer. Now, some people say my cake we have to do birthday. It better pass the cake we reach to do marriage. Yeah, what I can yeah, we cake men when they have a birthday. Oh, master. Oh, te what you men beke cake mogerita. No, you have marriage. Baki, Nare. We're not Tony. I'm go you go on. Where do who wear ye? Kokobiri. Rita make sweet. If you know sweet, Kokobiri for not go pay bride price. Now, make sweet after how many children? Kokobiri still go say, I die here. Kokobiri say, I die here. Kokobiri say, we die here. Kokobiri go pay bride price. My sister, yo, we be see. You just the boom. Bride price and not pay. Oh, me, I pay. I did life.
Hello, Clara Fabrel. Good evening.
Good evening. We did that video.
Yeah, I know you're online video. I'm going to speak to some muggers, some e-best.
Oh, I'm going to ask one question. Your people sweet.
Yeah, I clicked every party.
Your people sweet. Your people sweet.
They go off on that shit. They might say I want to love social media. When some people don't get shame, they pay me seriously. Some people know you don't get shame at all. When the marriage didn't make sense, he said, this is not Benin stroke Benin. This one has Benin stroke or that track. You know it's you don't see the cloth where the man wear.
I define Kokobiri woman.
Yeah, I be Kokobiri, you know, marry me again.
Your people sweet.
Ija, no go pointo. Me, I know the flex, lah.
It tight. It tight.
I wait for you.
It tight.
It tight, lah. You know you bring water. You know you bring water. You go pour water inside.
So now,
you pour for inside again. Without that, you go dey dry.
No be water.
Your stick go dey peel.
No be water. No be water.
No be water one, nah. You don't understand. No be water one because someone no matter no why important different people. All the water one. Understand? I'm not gonna start talking about it, babe. Yeah. Oni also no poajise. Cause I'm not by you no worry. I take a can your god in no rota harage. But we are wearing or even no boat. That is one of your god in Harawe. That's it.
What's talking me? I have a marrow when I'm here every week.
Oh, I tell you, I'm going to be a career. But I'm a winner.
I'm married on one condition. Yeah, I'm married. I got change Brazil.
the difference between
okay, I will consider you. You mean you still have nipple? Oh Lord, a nipple where me view, a nipple where me view, where me nipple not me view. Don't try. A nipple. Why you nipple? Why you nipple? You go you come on. Oh you come on me view. No go. But okay me view. You need to get me view.
Because if you near when your back one no bet nobody no care when it by Apuenia. But you give me to rush me. Based on saying, only my voice alone, they make people they go on down. They make people they poor, not talk of. But they suck. Now really they talk. I don't complete too for the whole wide world.
Thank you very much. You are
you are going to die with me. You will not raise other people.
Yes, the man I child.
Very small fan of my love.
This girl will keep you. Okay. We don't understand. Now let's go. Let me settle this issue on social media concerning Iyenu Kokomo, one of UK, and the video she did. You understand? With the video. Where is the video? Somebody forwarded me the video. Which day? What she said she go. Time you know come the video now. Sure we ain't boy by video. You know cry for this video soon. They will sack you for this video. You got go for look my head. Tell my video no luna. Or do you if you retire as why if you retire, you mind you retire. Yes, why? They go saga you put. Who sent me the video? Who sent me the video? Okay, I don't see the video. Now this I did. You know, do this one. Okay, this is the video.
One of UK, why do you work in Nigeria? It call you when me was in Nigeria. So, no wonder because
this video, you don't want to get photo. You get one thing will not understand. That's why they always talk. The way people the reason they go, the reason they go that side. The person where you Saga Rita for this video now, the person will interview you to come. Not be you to come. Now someone you to come even talk. Person will even this go Rita. Now the person will the interview you to come. That's number one. But let's call it speed is speed. And you know come not mention Rita name. Presenters, what is no problem? You know come not mention anybody name. All of us know who you know come to talk to. But not people name. Now, secondly, from this upset of this drama where you know the art, Rita you know come weird Rita during a pa birthday when a pa do birthday when the Rita go a pa birthday, you know come do video like this. When Rita can't go Esther and up by you party for UK, Rita do video like this. You understand? So the both of them, they using direct, they talk to themselves. They don't talk to themselves direct. You understand? Lovely shine. I'm not gonna leave you with the right comment. Cost me a mumu. I'm not talking to the mumu good. It's good to mumu. If you use me, you can mumu like the mumu. So you know, say gain this side mumu. I said the mumu, so they do my drink. So that one side. Now, you know, come do video when this man, probably do birthday, take talk to Rita, take mock Rita. Rita can still do video, take mock you know, come Now Rita now you know, come can still do that video now. Take mock Rita. And when they wait for Rita now, why not call they take paracetamol for another person headache? Presenter because the topic not the ground. No verse never bring topics is there. Are they busy? Understand? You know, say are they birthday moon? Are they birthday moon? May I block you come for here? Where you go since you go that place wait for the listen to wait for the talk truth. I want to see the truth. Go wait for the talk truth. Lovely shine. Bye bye. Ciao. Out of my platform. GPC came out. They come for just now. So that one picture away. I see no reason why majority of our presenter put them for head like fabrica work. But let me kill it down. Normally as Benima, that act where you act so it's an evil act. Yes, I must tell you. I know it's going to play on the insult myself for social media, but that act where you act so as custom and tradition is an evil act. Who did down here? Boy, you made down here, my sister. Adena gogo, Adena biomo, Edu biene, Agogo. That is when woman really born. If you born picking, that's the reason why you see when me and the Saga Enogi. If a no get born, when a no get born, I congratulate her. I didn't get beef with the quarrel, but if he born, I will congratulate her. Now I take guesses person. Now be the maturity we I take mature person no give. If he born picking now, I will write congratulations with her, I will celebrate with her. If he do birthday, I will celebrate with her. If he mess up the next, I will beat her. That's me for you. You see the day when person born. The day we person did when he born and the day we say you did do person die, at least you go celebrate that person. You go mourn with that person. You understand? For you mocking her on her happiest day, it means you are the most demonic woman so far on earth. You understand? Even though you ain't get beef, you know Kokomo. When not do you get woman as they do marriage, so you go celebrate her, you go congratulate her. Or if possible, don't even talk about her. Let that day finish. After that day don't finish, you want mock her with that marriage, with that things where you do so, you go fuse and mock her. It's normal. But me, I know say you they try to create content, but an evil content. Oh yes. Now very bad content. If you want to create that kind of content, don't be when the thing just they happen, the events they happen. Not be that they do that kind of thing. Now dare you for the getting wrong. You the feel me so? No, when Medi buy will book a matter you are time away. Despite say you want to get beef. We not to go many. Not be everybody will celebrate Rita, they happy with Rita. Not be everybody. He say, Frank, why you not celebrate Rita? Because she celebrates you in your bed. I celebrate Rita now. Yeah. So I can't make the Rita. He may have made your little he now will Kokobiri now go back. Kokobiri breaking record. Kokobiri don't break record. You don't watch the video. You don't follow me now. They follow me for the watch the video. Now as I see this soon, now here I day when I see the director say congratulations to Rita. Rita don't matter. Now say Rita marry, I don't know. That was my birthday now. Be the day after my birthday. Now whip music now home my music. Now say DJ put up music for me. Me I celebrate my Rita. You understand? But normally, you do wrong for that video. I must tell you the truth. This particular video with me the watch so you understand because I don't want to play and finish. You know, see, I'll be elderly. I just play the video. Make you for know where they talk they go. This particular video, so you do wrong for this video. I must tell you the truth. Again, we have a video now. Again, you do gear now. Okay, we have a video now. No, it's very, very wrong. Do we have to create a video now? You could have created this video after this marriage or we marriage for now. Or who no matter where you receive. Even though you never come Nigeria, but the marriage is not over. You feel do this kind of video. You understand? This video now, I am where you are an enemy of progress. If you watch this video now will classify you to be an enemy of progress. You're not happy for her. Even though you know they're happy for her, not even talk about her. Let that defect go first. Before you come here, before you come put up your body water. You understand? But for you mocking her on a marriage day, even though you ain't get beef, it make you look demonic. All of them will see they do and know as they be. I go still tell them the way it be. You understand? I still just be. But that's for that. Please, for those of you now where they carry the thing personal, where they carry on personal, I don't see anything where they carry personal here. You understand? I don't see anything where they carry personal here. Some stupid elements we need water because all those some single mother we don't fit take care of their they don't fit stay husband house. They want advice women maybe they stay husband house. Can you imagine? Single mother will go husband house, you go to two men house, you don't fit stay anyone. They want to give you advice. Is it don't be juju be that? That will not be shame. Woman we don't born for 2 man, 3 man. You not stay anyone house. You want to advise person make come stay husband house. Don't be saying that one now, okay, one a mistake. Second one not be mistake again. Because once in your bar one, I do with your bar one give I am one. You understand? I think we saw that we have you making it. It going to book. You know, I go there with one type for us. Me until they come. Brother never come. You not make me come. Shook for here. Wallah here. Turn the clitoris. Turn it, see. Turn it. Wallah, see. Zimboyo way. Amana Zimboyo. Ire. Amana Muhuyo. Ire. Muhuyu way. Kahuyu way. Where can Muji? Wakaila Wotoa. Water make us work kind of water. Why do I go? Why do I have some on social media? Why do I have some on social media? It's a shame for some of our people where they listen to some of our women for this social media. We never pay bad price. Some women with family don't reject. They can't let family reject me. My drink don't finish. They don't let family reject me. When I say amen, say may God not let your family reject you. Say amen. Too wrong cannot make it right. Would I make that statement? Oh yeah, there you are. Yes, I'm drinking on behalf of Rita Ayemiomo for your marriage ceremony. Congratulations to you. That's one side. I come. I never analyzed my video. The reason of me coming out today, I never talk. Rita wife of Kokobiri, congratulations to you, my sister. It's not easy for Kokobiri to go pay bride price. It's not easy. It's not easy. This drink is dedicated to Rita Yememo and your husband. It's not easy for Kokobiri to pay. Kokobiri do what I want our men to be doing. You understand? What I want our Benin men to be doing. That's what Kokobiri has done. So I need to buy drink for Kokobiri now. And to say my brother go marry just now. He carry our sister go to marriage. See what they don't. I go see boss drink for them. Since our Benin man, you know, do one. Now Kokobiri can go do one. I need to give Kokobiri kudos. But Kokobiri, this one Kokobiri can go Naija. Go be brother. Now say that make sweet. Jesus. It's sweet. It's sweet. Jesus. God. That's how our men they fuck up. Because we ma Benin for marry. Na leave for Kokobiri. Kokobiri my am go yore. I'm go yore nya. I'm go yore. Ori ye mo gbo ye ra. O ye na agbogba yo. Agbogba ke Jesu. Kokobiri don't go pay black price. Hello. Egbe. Alpha. You know the speaker, Yeah. Maybe kick against it now. I kick against it. You want to kick against it? Yes, now I did video for that. Yes. 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 Yeah. We met that our you come away ya send that can't even go no you go your way. You understand? You are a working class where you know be aduru. You don't be aduru. All right now, ciao. So as I was coming saying, before they break me in transmission, me have a boss drink for my in-law, or government. If you retire, and you know what I say, how can you go to marry? Who might cancel to me, no man, who marry you big women and retire with or where you retire me. You don't do your body. Me have to talk to you first. No marriage will perfect. You understand? Whether they use Mangolo to do marriage, they use Usagolo to do marriage. So family, the most important thing is you stay for the husband house in peace and harmony. And God will let you stay in peace and harmony. Now you want to go Nigeria, go do marriage. You don't even talk for social media. You understand? You don't inform anybody. You just do after as you reach for social media. You just secretly, you're doing secrets. You're vim, go Nigeria. And you still get fans for Nigeria. We say they will still be your lovers for Nigeria. You don't even inform any of them. You they hide. You can't make people get topic. You can't put topic of people mouths. Maybe they call it talk. Say okay, all your marriage. Yes now, and now. And what people go talk? They don't want to your marriage. And now because you no talk. Like me now, if I did Saga Jesus Christ heaven ahead. We are going to Nigeria. I go Nigeria. Oh yeah, what the one now? If I reach Nigeria, I do videos. What the one? I know Nigeria. What the one? Yes or no, you must know. You understand? You don't talk, you not clear. That one side. But inside the soup, may God bless your union. You owe me one beer. You understand? If you come now, you want now you come now, you could give me the beer, but first enjoy your marriage first. Enjoy your marriage, enjoy your home, happy marriage life. You understand? Because me alone good thing. What's me I want to be that one. I want me our women, they pay their bride price. Maybe they stay husband house. Me ain't got you where you adulterous woman must stop. Fuck and throw away must stop. Misty join fuck and throw away gang. I see John, we not cancel see must stop. We not cancel see must stop. We bad must stop. Oh God, dog. Oh, baka bin problem. Okay now, retire me more. All tough with big Kokobiri. The man knew that from where we were. I go eat a Kokobiri, but the Kokobiri no. One about the man here, will be calling him by his name because he has made me proud. He has made me proud. He's my friend now. I want to speak with him. He has made me proud. He's my in-law. He's my friend. Because men that paid bride price, I respect them because it's not easy. You understand? Okay, let me pick up. Hello. I did laugh. You say what? You say?
I say Rita fast. They get canopy for them. My sister, my people go.
Before the fans, they canopy. Me myself, they inform me say they want to marriage.
And now that one you go talk.
As the king of media.
We know. We go there.
As the king of media, no, can't pass me and be. So when they get meeting,
no,
they go.
If you come, we'll still give you drink. That one don't mean anything.
I will sanction now if you come. Oh God, no,
if you call your husband, if you ask your husband drink, he go give you. That one is number one. But we wear the Rita fans. We get canopy for there. My sister, I tell my people go there.
Thank you. That's
even
good.
The wife where the way you do today say we wear the fans still go there.
Okay, I do. So you be Rita fans.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I be your fans, I be Rita fans, I be all of our fans.
Oh, clap for you. Look, I like these people. That's what we talk last. It makes sense. You be all of us fans. That's good because my fans are your fans are my fans. Now, so all of us be, you know, but we dey fight ourselves anyhow. Not be juju be that. So that's one side. But inside there, so for waiting they go on for social media now, it's what we call do me, I do you. Do me, I do you. Man, none of the best. Do me, I do you. Man, none of the best. I'm going to go on for social media soon. If Rita still did Nigeria here, they Europe, Rita will still do the same thing. What happened to do so? You understand? That's the reason why. But I wait to finish. That's the reason why me about the smile stand here to tell us, waiting to do so not good, no good. Lolo do the same thing to Kate. When Kate they do marriage, Lolo the Sagara, which is very bad. You understand me so? That thing common with Lolo. Say very, very bad habits. The day of person celebration, celebrate with them. You understand? If we are in get beef, you want Sagara after marriage, you feel Sagara. But once you bring evil, the day of person celebration, you become that person evil. You become that person worst enemy forever till you go die. He not go forgive you, which is not good. Social media na where you go come here, come do your own things, normal level. You enter house, not to use and get forever everlasting enemy. You understand me so? Because these things now very, very bad character will be safe on the proof of ground. So because Lolo, Rita will still come, they wait for the day of your own celebration to wear you back, which is not good. I stand to be the king of this media, and any other person will go try this nonsense. Okay, my boy. And you does not will not give me respect. You will not respect me. Now wait, because I don't invest now. This Kokomo and Rita have issue on this my platform, which I settled the both of them amicably that day for peace to reign. And after that peace I make here, Kokomo still get that grunges for mind. If una really give respect to men, say that kind of thing, you get what Rita do, you're supposed to call me. As the king, say, even Rita una malake work time in my hair, my mwezo. Even Rita now, you will report Rita to me, I will call Rita. I tell Rita, giving you what day Rita will end our opinion. If you will not call me, you put that thing for man. You come out, you call the wear clothes. Every time they go Nigeria, Naija UK, now before they go Nigeria. Why you don't buluku who do boki le gabru e ho can table buluku mo hand dey all because you want to program, you want to create content, which is very, very bad. Even wauna who are call you to nimo. Tomorrow na Rita go still come. Or be academic we have celebrate, or then we marriage, or